What we'll be doing for today's lesson is identifying nets of 3D shapes. The keywords we'll be using for today's lesson are prism, cube, cuboid, triangular prism, surface area and volume. Okay, what is the net of a shape? A net is a pattern that you can cut out and fold to make a model of a 3D shape. So for example, we can use 3D shape properties to help us make nets. Okay, so from the previous lesson, we learned about faces, edges and vertices. So we've got a cuboid here. Okay, it's asking how many faces does this cuboid have? And from the previous lesson we should know cuboid has 6 faces. Now, the second part, it's asking faces shape. So what shapes make a cuboid? So you've got a square and you've got a rectangle. So with a cuboid, you have 2 square faces and 4 rectangle faces. And this is the net for it. That is the net for a cuboid. Next shape, same question, faces, faces shape and net. Okay, this shape is a square based pyramid. Okay, how many faces does this shape have? It has 5 faces. And what are the shapes of the faces? So you've got a square and you've got triangles. What is the net? So if you have to open this shape up, how would it look? Just to check if we are right, we've got 4 triangles and 1 square, which gives you 5 faces. So now your turn. Use the previous example to help you work this out. How many faces have you got? What shapes make that 3D shape? Please pause the video and have a go. Okay, the answer that you should have got for this question is B. Why is it B? Because a cuboid is made up of rectangles and squares. And how many faces does it have? 6. So if we count this up, you should get 6 faces, 2 squares and 4 rectangles. Okay, your turn again. Have a go at doing this question. Please pause the video. Okay, the answer that you should have got is C. So how you work that out is you've got 8 faces, 2 hexagons and 6 rectangles. And the only one that has that is C. Now for today's homework, what I'd like you to do is copy out these nets and write down which shape would these nets make. That's for the activity. For the mastered part, can you work out how many nets you can draw to make a cube? Once you've done this, please take a picture and upload to class charts.